Hello everyone, welcome to Shantha Lakshmi IAS Academy. In this video, let us learn about the Biomass Mission, which is in news. So why this Biomass Mission is in news? Because the European Space Agency has announced to launch its ambitious Biomass Mission on April 29, 2025 this year at from the space station at French Guiana with the rocket Vega C rocket. This Vega C rocket will carry a payload of about 1250 kilogram of mass, and it will be placed in the sun synchronous orbit at an altitude of 666 kilometer, so that the Vega C will always be appear at the same place related to our sun. So why this mission has launched? Okay, before going into the purpose of this mission, let us know the basic detail of biomass. So this biomass is defined as the weight or quantity of living organism or any organic material in a given area or time. So all life on the earth, from microbes to the gigantic Californian redwood, contains the basic element, that is carbon. But the earth does not gain or lose this carbon element. This carbon element moves or shifts from the place to place or element to element, that is from the atmosphere to hydrosphere, hydrosphere to geosphere, like that. This whole process is known as the carbon cycle, a biogeochemical cycle. Here, the forests are known as the earth. Here, the forests are known as the earth's green lungs. The forests absorb and store large amounts of carbon dioxide. So, this is known as the forest biomass. The scientist estimate that about the scientist estimates that the forest absorb around 16 billion metric tons of a carbon dioxide per year and currently hold 861 gigatons of carbon in their soils and vegetation. So this biomass mission is concerned with this forest biomass. But here, this is a estimated. It is not the correct and accurate data because of the lack of data regarding the forest biomass across the globe. This limits the understanding of the state or condition of the forest across the globe. So here the biomass will play the role. So what it will do? This biomass mission will create the 3D images from top of the forest canopy to the root of its trees. This in turn helps the scientists for the accurate measurement of how the carbon is distributed on the planet, and as well as it also helps to assess the change in levels of the carbon dioxide. Also, it will help to assess how much carbon dioxide is contributing to the GHG emission every year. And this biomass mission is not only concerned with the forest, it also goes beyond the forest. That is, it deals with the Antarctica. It also measures the movement. It also measures the movement of the ice sheets of Antarctica and create a digital models of dense vegetation. So remember, this biomass, European Space Agency's biomass mission not only concerns with the forest biomass, but it also measures the movement of the ice sheets of Antarctica. So how this mission will work, how this mission will be able to create the 3D images, that is with the help of the synthetic aperture radar, which will map the Earth's surface. Here, one special thing about this biomass mission is that this synthetic aperture radar uses the P-band frequency. So it will be the first ever satellite to use this P band in the space. So this P band will be able to penetrate dense forest canopies to assess how much carbon is stored on the floor as well as in the branches of the trees, and also to assess how these levels are changing over time, and which in turn help in measuring the amount of GHG emissions every year. So this is all about the biomass mission. Thank you.